In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize Supabase queries for speed. Performance Guide 2026. Open your browser and head to supabase.com. This is where we'll do everything. Once you're on the site, sign into your Supabase account. Use your usual login method, and you'll land on the dashboard in a moment. On the homepage, which is your main dashboard, choose your organization. This simply scopes what you see and ensures you're working with the right set of projects and permissions tied to that organization. Next, pick a project you've already created, or create a new one if you're just getting started. If you create a new project, follow the on-screen prompts. Otherwise, open an existing project so we can focus on performance tuning right away. Inside the project view, look at the left sidebar. This is your primary navigation for everything in your database. You'll find database, authentication, storage, and the SQL editor, which is where we'll do our optimization work. Click SQL editor. The keys to faster queries are straightforward. Build the right indexes, write efficient queries, minimize the amount of data you pull back, and lean on PostgreSQL features that Supabase exposes, like RPC functions and materialized views. We'll walk through each of these so you know exactly what to do and why it helps. Start by analyzing how your queries run. In the editor, prefix your query with explain, analyze, and execute it. You'll get a plan with timing that shows whether Postgres is doing a slow sequential scan, sorting large result sets, or looping inefficiently. This is your truth source for identifying bottlenecks. Fix those bottlenecks with proper indexing. Add indexes on columns you frequently use in where filters, join conditions, or order by clauses. Choose the right type, B-tree for most equality and range lookups, GN for JSON-B and arrays, and BRIN for large app-and-only columns such as created at. When a query filters or sorts by multiple columns, create a composite index in the order that matches your filter and sort. If you often query a subset, like rows with a particular status, a partial index targeted to that predicate can be smaller and faster. Reduce the data you move. Avoid select star. Specify only the columns you actually need. Paginate results. Limit and offset work, but for large tables, prefer key set pagination by using a stable ordered key to skip deep offsets. Write joins efficiently. Use joins rather than subqueries in where or having when practical. If you only need to know whether a row exists, use exists instead of count, so the database can stop early. Finally, keep heavy logic close to the data. Package reusable work in RPC functions, and cache expensive aggregations with materialized views, refreshing them on a schedule. After each change, rerun explain, analyze, and compare timings. With these practices, your Supabase queries will feel snappy and reliable.